Okay, a decomposition of functions problem. As you can see, we've been given a function. Big F of x is defined to be little f composed with little g of x. So g of x is plugged into little f of x, and the end up result is going to be x minus 7 quantity cubed. So in getting started with this, what I always try to focus on is what is my outer function going to be? Now, the outer function has to kind of ask yourself, what's attached to the entire function? So as you can see, in this case, everything is raised to the third power. So what I'm going to do initially is say, well, I want that cube, that third power, attached to simply an x. Now, whatever I place as the inner function, that has to replace this x. So our inner function is g of x. Whatever I put in for g of x is going to replace the x as we compose these together. So what is raised to the third power? Well, x minus 7. Now we could check our answer pretty quickly by simply doing this composition of functions. Remember, what you're going to do is you can bring along the outer function, the f. We're going to replace the inner function in. We're going to replace g of x with what we said it was supposed to be, x minus 7. Now from here, whatever is plugged in to little f of x, that's going to replace the x in the initial function, whatever we defined it to be. It has to replace the x on the other side as well. So as you can see, as we replace x minus 7 in for the x, it needs to replace the x minus 7 on the other side as well. And sure enough, we do get to what we were hoping to get to in this case. So as you get going on these, start with the outer function, whichever one that's going to be, in our case, little f, and say what's attached to the entire ending function. Make that part of the outer function, little f of x. Then say to yourself, what needs to replace the x, wherever I put that, kind of a general variable, is going to be our inner function, in our case, x minus 7. All right, good luck.